Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add live chat in Shopify store. This is a powerful tool to connect with customers in real time, answer their questions, and provide urgent support. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Install a Shopify app. In this tutorial, I will use the Shopify Inbox app. First, open the Shopify App Store and search for Shopify Inbox. This is a free app so you can start setting up live chat without any fee. Now, you click Install button to install it in your Shopify store. Then you will be directed to your Shopify dashboard where you can set up live chat. Step 2. Turn on live chat in Shopify. Here, you can see online store chat is off by default. So to make it live, first, click Set up chat. Now, you will be navigated to the Setting up live chat area. Step 3. Set up live chat in Shopify. In this section, you can customize a lot of features of live chat. You can edit the background color, text color, button color, icon shape, label, position, greeting message. Now, take a look at the live chat you have created. Once you are happy, hit the Save button and move to the next step. Step 4. Manage settings the live chat. Now, return to Shopify main dashboard, navigate to Inbox section from the left side menu. In the Overview area, you can find the QR code to install this app in your mobile device. Next, you can manage the settings of live chat by clicking on Manage Settings button. Then you will be directed to the chat settings page. In this page, you can add instant answers to the live chat. By turning it on, you can automate the questions and answers in the live chat and provide users real-time responses. Besides, you can set up pre-chat form to give your customers an option to get a follow-up email or not. Once you finish, just save your changes and go to the next step. Step 5. Preview and test. Once your live chat is ready, you should visit your store frontend and test the live chat you have created. And you see it works. You have successfully set up live chat on your Shopify store and are ready to provide live chat support to your customers. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.